children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Do you know, I have come back with a very interesting topic today, subject-verb agreement. This is my favorite topic. Is this yours also? You already have learnt about, आप पहले पढ़ चुके हैं इसके बारे में. चलिए डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं इसे. स्टार्ट करें. Okay. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. That is, for example, the verb should be of the same number and person as the subject. अगर मेरा subject singular है तो मेरी verb भी singular होगी. अगर मेरा subject plural है तो मेरी verb भी plural होगी. Example देखिए, the baby is playing with a doll. स्नेहा एंड मीनू आर डांसिंग वेल. तो दो जने जब यहाँ पे दो लोग आ गए, स्नेहा और मीनू, तो हम आर का यूज कर रहे हैं. जब हम बेबी के बात कर रहे हैं तो हम इसका यूज कर रहे हैं. हुई ना बात सही? हाँ जी. तो इन सेंटेंस नंबर 1, द बेबी इज द सब्जेक्ट, इट इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन, द वर्ब इज हैज बीन यूज्ड इन सेंटेंस एंड इट इज अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. In sentence number 2, Sneha and Meenu are the subjects and are the in plural in number. So the verb are has been used. It is a plural verb. This shows that verb in a sentence must always agree with the subject in number, singular or plural. Rule number 1 देखिए बच्चों. In case of personal pronouns, the third person singular pronouns he, she, it always take singular verbs in all the tenses and they take a plural verb in all the tenses. Rinki has a beautiful doll. She cooks tasty food. They like chili potatoes, right? So the second person you and the first person we always take a plural verb in all the tenses. इसमें हमेशा, क्योंकि ये plural है, तो second person के बारे में जब बात होती है, you भी और we भी दोनों plural के, ये हमारा first person plural है, we. Okay, examples देखिए. You are an amazing person. We have visited the Pinjore garden. The first person I speaker singular takes a singular verb am or was, but takes a plural verb when saying I eat or I have to eat. Right? I'm enjoying my holidays. I like to dance. Then rule number 2, when two or more subjects are connected by and they mostly take a verb in plural form, like she and her sister were playing tennis. Rule number 3, when two or more singular objects joined, either or, neither nor, not only, but and or, but also the verbs agrees with the later subject. जो बाद में आता है ना, उसके ऊपर हम लोग काम करते हैं. Subject nearer to verb, यानी either she or I. आप देखो, मैंने she को consider नहीं किया. अगर she को consider करती तो is होता. I को consider कर रही हूँ जो near the verb है ना. I am going to play. Rule number 4, a collective noun takes a singular verb. The committee has elected him its captain. Rule number 5, if a singular subject is preceded by each, every, everyone, either, neither and many, the verb should be in singular form. Each of these, यानी एक की बात हो रही है. Each of these girls was invited. Either of these plays is interesting. Rule number 6, nouns like a pair of trousers, a pair of socks are taken as singular and they take a singular verb. Examples देखिए, a pair of shoes was bought yesterday. When the rule number 7, when the subject consists of two pronouns or nouns and is joined with as well as not or with, the verb must agree with the first subject. I as well as he am in the wrong. As she and you is invited to the party. Rule number 8, if the formal subject there is used, the verb agrees with the real subject. There was a hospital in the village and there were many trees in the garden. Rule number 9, if two nouns together express a single idea, the verb is singular. तो हाँ, यहाँ पर rice and curry is my favorite food. अब यहाँ rice और curry की बात हो रही है, तो एक single idea है, तो इसके लिए is का use हुआ है. Rule number 10, people and cattle are always in the plural and take a plural verb. तो यहाँ पर cattle में हम एक पशु की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. people में हम एक बंदे की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. people में बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं बेटा, crowd. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर इसलिए are का use हुआ है. cattle are grazing in the field. Rule number 11, some nouns like mathematics, civics or political, economics and in, as, but are singular is meaning and take a singular verb. So mathematics is a difficult subject. Rule number 12, when a plural noun denotes some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. 5 miles is a good distance. Rule number 13, when the subject of the verb is a relative pronoun, the verb agrees in number and person with the antecedent of the relative. He who is my neighbor helps others. सो बच्चों, आई होप आपने बहुत अच्छे से इसको सुना होगा. चलिए कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस अटेम्प्ट कर लीजिए. A part, fill in the blanks with correct forms of the verb. B part, correct the following statements. And in C part, tick the correct options. So in D part you have fill in the blanks with the verb in agreement with its subject. So बच्चों, इन सब एक्सरसाइजेस को अटेम्प्ट कीजिए, अपनी नॉलेज चेक कीजिए एंड हैव फन, एंजॉय.